Hello students, today we take the information about the new chapter number 15. The name of chapter is here Biodiversity, Conservations and Environmental Issues. So we start from this biodiversity concept. According to the marks, the chapter is compulsory for 3 marks and marks with options 4 marks. That is the weightage of the chapters according to the view of examinations. And then we see the meaning of a biodiversity. The term biodiversity include two words here. The first one word is here bio and next one word that is means diversity. So what is the meaning of bio? Bio means living things. Living things, plants, animals, microorganisms, all these things considered as living things. And what is the meaning of a diversity? There is a differentiations or there is a different features shown by all these species. Plants, animals, microorganisms, they differentiated from each other with the help of the different characteristics, their genetical characteristics, their habitat, their mode of nutrition, their morphological features. So huge diversity present among such kinds of a species, then that is the meaning of a biodiversity. Variety of life that include vast array of species from microorganisms, viruses, algae, fungi, plant and animals present in different habitat on earth, and this all togetherly combinedly termed as a biodiversity. In a living organisms there is a huge diversity present among themselves and that differentiated themselves from each other, that is considered as a biodiversity. Diversity is seen in shape, color, form. Form means morphological features, mode of nutrition, whether they are autotrophic, heterotrophic, whether they are maybe parasitic. So all kinds of mode of nutrition, habitat, where they resides. They resides on land surface, arboreal habitat, aquatic habitat. So such kind of a different habitat shown by the different kinds of species. Reproductions, some organisms reproduces asexually, some produces sexually. So it is a kind of reproductions. Motility, some are motile in nature, some are shows the sedentary forms, and durations of a life cycle, lifespan. So all these things included under the diversity. In general, diversity shows the different features of these species which differentiated them from each other. All these adaptations helps in the survival of a species, and due to these adaptations different types of a feature shown by the all living organisms, they helps for their sustainability, for their survival. The term biodiversity was first time coined by the scientist Walter Rosen in 1982. The name of scientist who first time gave this term, that is the biodiversity, the name of scientist is Walter Rosens. And the next one scientist, that is Edward Wilson, popularized these terms. This term get popularized in broad by the scientist Edward Wilsons. Then the actual meaning of a biodiversity or the proper definitions of a biodiversity. What is the actual meaning of a biodiversity according to the biological terminology? It is a part of a nature. Natureचाच हा एक पार्ट आहे थोडक्यामध्ये biodiversity. It includes all the living things here. Plants, animals, microorganisms, viruses, all these kinds of organisms shows due to these organisms biodiversity is present in a nature. It is a part of nature that include differences. Main meaning of a diversity is the differences among these species. Differences in the genes among the individuals of a species, variety of animals, plant species in a different habitat, in different regions, country-wise distributions, and the world, which forms different types of a ecosystem within a defined area. So due to this biodiversity, it helps to build up the ecosystem. Different kinds of organisms get together. They living in the ecosystem. Due to this, biodiversity. So it helps to build up ecosystem. It also helps for the sustainability of a life differences among the organisms. So biodiversity developed for 3.5 billion years when the evolution takes place gradually. Levels, three kinds of levels of biodiversity are there. Which are they? The first one, that is the genetic diversity. Diversity at the level of a genes. Species diversity, different forms, species, animal species, plant species, species of a microbes. So that is the diversity present among the different kinds of a species. And ecological, that means ecosystem. If the ecosystem is formed there, the diversity present among them. So these are the three levels of a biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity.